Daily system care is an important routine to keep your Fluent functioning as good as possible. First, import the predefined script from the maintenance folder on the master media and select the Daily System Care ZEIA file. If you have a Fluent with a liquid system, you may want to import the liquid class Diluters Wash ZEIA file as well. Make sure that your actual work table is selected once the script is opened. And then, disable all commands that are not relevant to your Fluent configuration. You only have to do this once at the beginning of your Fluent installation. Your system care methods are now available for the Fluent operator. Select the System Care button on the touchscreen and start the Daily System Care method by selecting the green arrow. In order to clean the disposable tip adapters, the channels will spread automatically for easy access to the disposable tip cones. Carefully clean the individual disposable tip cones with a lint-free tissue soaked with alcohol. Once the cones are cleaned, select the Next Page button. To clean the disposable tip waste chute, follow the instructions on the touchscreen and then select the next page. Clean the individual fixed tips with a lint-free tissue soaked with alcohol by wiping from top to bottom. Look for any damage to the Teflon coating using a mirror, and then select Next Page once you've checked all sides. Next, you need to fill the liquid system container and empty the waste container. Unplug the connector by pressing the button and pulling the connector upwards. To reconnect the connector, push it down until a distinct click is heard, and then select Next Page. Now you need to check the alignment of the robotic gripper arm fingers. Pull the robotic gripper arm head down and realign it if necessary. Check how to do this in your manual. To remove any particles, grease, or dirt, soak a lint-free tissue with alcohol and wipe the surfaces and individual cones of the multiple channel arm adapter and select Next Page when done. Make sure to place the multiple channel arm adapter correctly on the adapter nest and then select Continue when you're done. A Yes/No prompt will appear on the touchscreen when all the maintenance steps are completed. If No is selected, then a "That's too bad" message will appear, and no report is generated if you then select Continue. Instead, a Run Finished with Errors will appear on the touchscreen. If Yes was selected, a flush or inline filter test will be executed, reports will be generated, and a "Thank you, enjoy your day" message is displayed. After Continue is then selected, Fluent Control will register the method as successful. There are additional optional methods available in the Maintenance folder on the master media. These additional methods will appear on the touchscreen and can be performed alongside the Daily System Care if you import them. The additional methods include extra steps such as checking the plungers, lifting the cover, checking connectors and plunger screws, how to release the cover, how to start a flush routine, etc. Finally, start the flush routine by selecting the System Care button and selecting the Flush method and selecting the OK button. Watch the flow of the system liquid at the tips so that it is clean and straight. Check the syringes while the plungers are moving for air bubbles. If no bubbles are present, then your Fluent will be ready for routine use. If you're unsure of any step, it's all in your manual, or feel free to check with the help desk. And thank you for watching.